Good morning, Dane 123 gang. Woo! Today is a beautiful day. I'm looking beautiful. The sky's looking beautiful. Now, today, Matt is here and we are doing a race car race. It's time to use my camera that's old but new. Hasn't been working lately. Hopefully it works. I will film with this just in case, but I will attach the camera to my car. See if I can get some pretty cool footage during the race. It will be me, Tate, Matt, and Scotty in the race. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be lit. Let's go. Egg break. Okay guys, for the race we're going to do 2 cars against 2 cars, but first we need to make a track. So let's build that track and let's get right into this vlog. Whoa! Finished our track, so I thought we should make it. Focus! I thought we should make it like a drag race. So they start from up here, and first one to hit that pole down there wins. Now let's go get the others, and let's go check out their cars. Should we do a car montage?
No, it's only like 3 cars.
I know, but we'll check out the cars, check out the person, and then explain the rules, and then let's get racing. Yes?
No.
Yes?
I'm kidding ya.
Woo!
I'm Matt Welsh, and this is my car, the Demon, and let's race.
I'm Scotty Adams, and this is the Red Rover, or the White Rover. Just comment below, tell me which name is better, and I think we've got a pretty good shot of not losing.
Hey guys, I'm Tate, and this is my car, Liam Neeson. Hey guys, my name is Burley Butler Jones. My real first name is actually Jay, but this is my car, Green Fire. Let's go!
I'm Dane 123, and this is the Yaw Yeet Maverick. Let's do it! Woo! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there is only one rule. There is no rules.
Other than that one.
Yeah. All right. First up, Matthew Welsh versus Burley Butler Jones, or his real name, Jay.
His real first name.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to go sit in the peanut gallery over there while they get ready for the race. First to touch this pole. 3, 2, 1, go. And Matt wins. And Matt, you made it to the finish line before he even started. Okay, Matthew moves into the next bracket. Jay, you are eliminated.
Just eliminate.
On your mark. Get set, go. And the winner is Liam Neeson! Goodness, wow!
Liam Neeson.
Great race. Close call.
You started early.
On to the next race.
Set, go. Just bad.
Let's go!
Let's go.
The Maverick wins.
Goodness. Jay lost through the remote, and Scotty, what happened?
He broke off one of my joysticks, so.
Hey.
Can you still drive it?
Gotta remember.
Yeah.
Okay, up next, Matt Welsh versus Scotty Adams.
Oh my God.
I'm not going to ask how they feel because I already did at the beginning. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, and by a close second. No, he didn't. We can wait. Watch. We're watching the replay, but on the close. On a
He
close
didn't
second.
start early. My car's just slow. Look.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
On a close second, Matt wins the race. Matt moves on. Scotty, it's been good knowing you. Peanut gallery's over there. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh!
Liam Neeson is the champion.
I freaking thought that my car was off, so when I clicked the button, I was like, okay, it's off. Wait. But I was going to say something, and then it was on.
Uh-huh.
No.
Sure what you just said.
What? If you look at my face at the beginning of this, I was kind of like, what's wrong with my car? It's off. But then, it is Matt and Tate going right now. Personally, they're both the same brand car, but if I get out next round, I'm voting for Matt. Okay, these two are gonna race. If they both haven't lost anything. Stop! They both haven't lost anything. Let's race. Because Tate false start on the last one, if he false starts on this one, he does get a penalty of 1 loss. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Oh, yeah, Nissan wins with dirty playing. Matt tried to play dirty and Tate won.
Nissan has not lost.
Up now. Tate is automatically going to the finals, and it's Matt and Dane up for the race.
Okay,
Oh!
I am going. No, not. I want to check see if it's full start.
No, I was surprised by that.
Oh, okay. I was like full start. All right, Matt. How do you feel about your loss?
I really don't care. Hey, I'm not putting guys out.
Who are you voting for?
I'm part of the Dane 1, 2, 3 gang. Let's go.
I'm voting for the low gangster.
That's me, baby. Didn't already know that.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! That was an early start.
We went over with the replay committee, and you can go when he says go, even if it's in the middle of go. You can drive, and in the replay, it shows this. Okay. Last match. Hope I win, baby. Let's go. Now, comment down in the description below. Comment down in the description below who you want to win, me or Tate. Or you can say the Yaeet Maverick or the Liam Neeson. Let's go.
2, 1, go.
Yeah, Nissan won by a
We need to look at the replay. But I crashed into him. Okay, we're just play the replay in slow motion. Instant slow motion. Play the replay in slow motion.
Go.
We went over the replay. Hey, wait. We went over the replay, and Tate did in fact win. Matt, you were right. I was wrong.
I know.
Matt already knows he's right. Tate, congratulations. Now, Tate's prize. Tate, come on, check it out. Tate, congratulations. Your prizes don't come yet. Don't come yet. Sorry, guys. And here. Okay, this is Tate's prize. No one else would get this. Tate, your prize is a signatured piece of paper with my name on it. If you want your friend, you're going to have to pay $5. I'm joking. Because he won, he gets a signatured piece of paper. Tate, congratulations.
Bro, Dane 1, 2, 3 gang.
That is
Dane
the vlog,
1, 2,
guys. I hope
3
you
for
enjoyed it.
life.
If you're not already a member of the Dane 1, 2, 3 gang, hit the subscribe button. What are you going to do?
Hit the subscribe button.
You're going to dab. Hit the subscribe button. Comment. Is it the red rover or the red rover? I mean the white, the red or the white rover?
Red
Comment
or white,
who.
people.
Comment who you did want to win at the beginning. And I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. It's Everyday Bro Not.